smells a little bit like an old shoe, like a really funky, sweaty old shoe, which I guess for a bag of dried shrimp is kind of on point. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with another Filipino snack taste test. Today we have handmade treats from Guimaras, made by a friend that we met there who gave us all personal pasalubong. She has a bakery called Elle's Sweet Bites. Very nice. Everything looks very professional and delicious. These are some polvoron that she made in all different flavors. Got different candies. So I'll leave the contact info down in the description, but if you want some of these treats, she can deliver them or send them via post here in the Philippines. Her phone number is 0909-434-8578. Again, 0909-434-8578. We can see how my reviews are, but from the samples I had before, it's all delicious. So let's get started with, I guess we'll start with this. I think she said this is tamarind. Nice individually wrapped. It's like a tiny little gumdrop looking thing. Yeah. Oh, very, very tamarind, covered in sugar. Let's give it a shot. Wow. Like sour, spicy, pure tamarind. You can tell she made that with the real fruit. It's super good. It makes my mouth water. It's so like sour and sweet. It's delicious. I think this will make a super good ice cream. Very chewy, nice texture. I mean, it tastes just like pure fruit that was fresh made, which is exactly how she said that she makes it, so that makes sense. Let me give these an 8.5. If you really like tamarind, these are a great treat that you need to try. Next, let's try, these are some ones she just gave me, but she didn't personally make. These are from Anna May's in ILOILO. So Anna May's pasalubong in ILOILO. These are shrimp crackers. It smells a little bit like an old shoe, like a really funky, sweaty old shoe, which I guess for a bag of dried shrimp is kind of on point. If you've had the Oishi prawn crackers, it's kind of like that, like a darker, crispy version. Very crispy, toasted, a tiny bit spicy. They say they put sealy powder in here, which is like the local chilies. You can see it looks just like a pork rind or a chicharron. Very nice. Mildly spicy, a little shrimpy, but in general, I kind of like that flavor. Again, if you like the Oishi prawn crackers, these are super nice. Really cute package. The gold foil makes it look pretty fancy. So I'm gonna give that one a 7.8. I really like it. Again, it's got a little funk to it, but sometimes that's good. Like if you like a funky cheese, you know just what I mean. So let's try, how about the polvoron? I've been really excited. There's like, 5 different flavors here. Open up the sticker here. I guess we'll try the green first. There's 5 flavors, maybe I should try them all. They're all hand wrapped. I think she said one of these was like $150, but you get 7 of each, so it's $150 for 35, so they're like 5 pesos each. Classic polvoron look. I'm not sure what flavor this is. It smells very sweet. You can even see big chunks of nuts inside. I have no idea what flavor I'm eating. It would be good to, my suggestion is going to be to her to at least add like on the sticker here, you could add like green equals calamansi or whatever. Getting a little hint of maybe durian type flavor. Maybe it's just like citrus-y. Maybe it's calamansi that I'm getting. It's delicious. It tastes like peanuts and sugar, which is delicious. but I really don't know what flavor I'm getting here. Let's try one I know I can tell, because this has little purple specks in it. So I'm pretty sure this is the ube. Let's try. Yeah, I can smell the ube in here for sure. Okay. Much sweeter. It's got the ube flavor in there. I like these a lot better. The ube is nice. You can taste the ube, nice and sugary, nice chunks of maybe walnuts inside. I'm not sure what kind of nuts are used, or peanuts. So we've got a pink. I have no idea what this is going to be either. So far so good. It has little pink bits in it. Maybe this is dragon fruit. I don't know. It looks cute with the pink sparkles inside. It does smell very strong. Like strawberry, maybe. Maybe it's strawberry. Yeah, I think this is strawberry. Oh, this is super nice too. Very nice, mild strawberry flavor. You can still taste the nuts. Very good. That one's probably, I think that one's my favorite now. I love strawberry, and it's hard to get strawberry here in the Philippines. This one, no color indications inside. I'm not getting any smell. This is the orange. Let's see what's in the orange. Maybe this one's the plain flavor? Again, no scent. I'm not picking up any flavor either. It has to be the plain. That might just be the regular polvoron. It's good. If you like polvoron, it's a really good quality one. I've had polvoron a few times. Oh, the blue I think is cookies and cream. I see little bits of like chocolate looking stuff inside. I think that's what I'm looking at. So let's give this one a shot. Yeah, I think this is chocolate. You can taste the cookies a little bit. Definitely the ube and the strawberry are my favorite, just because they have a much stronger flavor. Very fruity, which the fruit goes really well with the peanuts. Overall, I'm gonna give this one like a 9.0, which for me is pretty high. I don't think anything's gotten above a 9.3, even on stuff I super love. So 9.0, it's a great deal. I mean, you get, this is probably half a kilo at least of polvoron for like 150, I think she said. So this is cool. If you love polvoron and want some treats to give out to your family, I've got enough to give to the whole neighborhood right there if I want. So that's my favorite so far. Next, we have another one from Anna Mays that she bought. These are spicy dealies, which are like little dried shrimp or fish maybe. Ooh, it smells like an aquarium. Like if you've ever had fish and just forgotten to clean their bowl for like a week or two. Ooh, it's funky fish flavor. You can see it's just a bunch of little fish dried all together. You can see their silver skin. No heads on there, I don't think. Maybe I just can't see the head. But they're very dried and red, so I'm hoping they're spicy. Let's try it. They're sweet. It says spicy dealie. Okay, there's a little spice. More spice. Ooh. Okay. Oh, I like these. They're hard like beef jerky, which is nice. If you like beef jerky, this is like fish beef jerky. It is. It's sweet at first, and then it hits you with the chili. And it's got a nice, like maybe 4 out of 10 spiciness. So not crazy spicy, but got some good spice there. Like my whole mouth is full of spice and heat right now. Wow. I like these. Fish jerky. I never thought I'd see fish jerky, but this is the Philippines, so you know, it's all sorts of things I'm not used to. That's good. I'm gonna give that a 8.8. Delicious, fishy, spicy, sweet. Now we're gonna get into the last candy that she made. Again, I'm not sure exactly which variety this is. I think this is tamarind again. Maybe this is like the spicy version. Yeah, this is tamarind again. Nice little gumdrop. There's a seed inside, which is okay. You know it's made from real tamarind. Less sour than the other one. More spicy. Maybe this is like a plain tamarind and this is the spicy version. Really good. I think I like the original version with the orange better. But I'll give this one a 7.2. If you like spicy, it's definitely spicy. I'm getting a hint of that on my tongue now. It's good. Very, very, very nice tamarind flavor. Overall though, these are good, but I think the polvoron are my favorite by far. It's a good variety. Definitely the ube and the strawberry are my absolute favorites. I'd like a little sticker that says, you know, hey, this is what's inside. Even just a little piece of paper inside would be nice. I know that's cheaper than printing extra stickers. But in general, it's really good. If you love polvoron, which I do, because it's basically peanuts and that's one of my favorite snacks, you should try this out. Again, I'll leave the contact info for that business in the bottom. So if you're interested, hit her up and get some snacks. This is a really good review of some homemade snacks like local from ILOILO and Guimaras. And in general, really good. These are all high numbers and some interesting, you know, spicy fish and shrimp, and then a couple of homemade tamarind and polvoron snacks. So if there's anything else I should try, guys, let me know in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye.